As a business owner in Washington, D.C., you are always looking for ways to improve your business's efficiency, security, and overall aesthetic appeal. One investment that provides long-term benefits and often goes overlooked is high-quality commercial window installation. New, energy-efficient windows not only enhance the exterior look of your building but also contribute to a more comfortable, secure, and cost-effective environment for your business. Whether you own a retail store, office building, or restaurant, the right windows can have a significant impact on your bottom line. Here's why high-quality commercial window installation should be a top priority for Washington businesses. Enhanced energy efficiency and reduced costs. Washington, D.C. experiences a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters. Inefficient windows, especially older ones with single panes or poor seals, allow air to escape, making it harder for your HVAC system to maintain a consistent temperature. This can lead to higher heating and cooling costs, which can eat into your profits over time. High-quality commercial windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames are just some of the features that can improve your building's insulation. These windows reduce the need for excessive heating and cooling, helping you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while lowering your energy bills. In the long run, investing in energy-efficient windows leads to substantial savings and improved financial performance. Improved comfort for employees and customers. The comfort of your employees and customers is vital to your business's success. Drafty, old windows that let in cold air during the winter or heat during the summer can make your workplace uncomfortable, affecting productivity and customer satisfaction. High-quality commercial window installation ensures that your building stays comfortable year-round, no matter the weather outside. With the right windows, your building will maintain a consistent indoor climate, preventing hot or cold spots from forming. This improves the overall comfort of your employees, helping them to stay focused and work efficiently. Customers will also appreciate a comfortable environment, whether they are shopping, dining, or engaging with your business in any other capacity. A comfortable space translates to higher satisfaction and improved retention rates for both employees and clients. Increased security and protection. Security is always a priority for business owners, and your windows play a critical role in safeguarding your property. Older windows with weak glass or outdated locks can be vulnerable to break-ins, making your business a target for criminals. High-quality commercial windows are equipped with reinforced glass, secure locking mechanisms, and stronger frames that provide greater protection against forced entry. If your business is located in a high-traffic area of Washington, D.C., or near construction zones, upgraded windows with impact-resistant glass can offer additional protection against vandalism or break-ins. Not only will these windows help prevent unauthorized access, but they also provide protection against extreme weather events, such as strong winds or hail, which can cause significant damage to older windows. Aesthetic appeal and curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially in Washington, D.C., where appearance can make a big difference in attracting customers or tenants. Outdated or poorly maintained windows can detract from the overall look of your building, potentially sending the wrong message to visitors. High-quality commercial windows enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property, giving it a modern, clean, and professional appearance. Whether you're operating a storefront, office building, or restaurant, new windows can elevate your property's curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential clients or tenants. Additionally, custom window options allow you to select styles, colors, and materials that complement your brand identity, contributing to a cohesive, professional look that reinforces your business's image. Long-term durability and low maintenance. High-quality commercial windows are built to last. Unlike older, cheaper windows that may need frequent repairs or replacement, modern windows are made from durable materials that are designed to withstand the elements and regular use. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum are not only long-lasting but also resistant to warping, fading, and cracking. Investing in high-quality windows means you'll spend less time and money on repairs and maintenance. These windows are designed to stand up to the wear and tear of daily business operations, reducing the need for frequent replacements or costly fixes. This durability translates to long-term savings, making it a smart investment for your business's future. Noise reduction and improved privacy. In a bustling city like Washington, D.C., noise can be a constant challenge, especially if your business is located near busy streets, construction zones, or other sources of disruption. High-quality commercial windows with soundproofing properties can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more productive indoor environment. Whether you're trying to provide a peaceful workspace for your employees or a calm, quiet environment for customers, noise reduction can enhance the overall experience and satisfaction. Additionally, improved window seals and insulation can enhance privacy, preventing outsiders from seeing into your space and protecting sensitive information. Increased property value. If you're considering selling or leasing your commercial property in the future, high-quality windows can increase the value of your building. Energy-efficient windows, modern designs, and enhanced security features are all attractive to potential buyers or tenants. By upgrading your windows, you're investing in your property's long-term value and ensuring that it remains competitive in a fast-moving real estate market like Washington, D.C. Final thought. High-quality commercial window installation offers a range of long-term benefits for Washington business owners. From improving energy efficiency and comfort to enhancing security, aesthetics, and property value, investing in new windows is a smart decision that can have a lasting impact on your business. Whether you're looking to reduce costs, increase the appeal of your space, or provide a more comfortable environment for your employees and customers, upgrading to modern, durable windows is a great way to achieve these goals. If you're ready to improve your Washington business with professional window installation, reach out to a trusted window contractor to explore your options and start reaping the benefits of high-quality commercial windows today.